German government don't collaborate with federal government, Obaseki and Oba of Benin to return Benin artifacts. The Director General for Culture and Communication for German Foreign Ministry, Dr. Andres Gorgen, don't talk say German government don't agree say them carry Benin artifacts, and them they committed to return and restore them back. Dr. Gorgen talked this one when in their address with Tori people for inside National Museum for Benin City on the collabo between Edo State Government, Federal Government, German Government, National Commission for Museum and Monuments, NCMM, Legal Restoration Trust, and the Benin Royal Court on the return of artifacts wey them carry. The Director General can appreciate Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari, Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, and the Oba of Benin wey grant them audience, and for their effort to make sure say them return the artifact to Benin City. Him say them they look forward to talk to Nigerian stakeholders and find common approach between German government and Nigerian government to return the artifacts, as them they willing to support the 21st century museum where Nigeria want build for Benin.
And we are here to testify the joint willingness of 4 federal states in Germany, of the federal government, and of 5 museums holders of Benin bronzes to proceed to restoration of those objects to Nigeria. We are also here to express our gratitude to the federal government of Nigeria, to Governor Obaseki, and to the Oba of Benin, who granted us with an audience, and we are looking forward to talk to all Nigerian stakeholders and to find a common approach between Nigeria and the Federal Republic of Germany to support the efforts of the National Commission of Monuments, the federal government, the Legacy and Restoration Trust, and the Royal Court of Benin in order to support effectively the Nigerian efforts to build up a museum for the 21st century here in Benin, which would honor the tradition and pave the way for a better future.
Presido of the Parisian Cultural Heritage Foundation for Germany, Professor Persinger Hermann, said the return of the artifacts go open new chapter for the relationship between German and Nigerian government, as he dey deeply impressed with the Benin cultural heritage and the plans to develop the museum, and them go support for capacity building, training, education, and them dey ready to learn the knowledge of Benin bronze.
And I think it's not only important that we give things back. We want to open a new chapter in our relations, and this includes cooperation. We have been deeply impressed seeing really the plans developed for a pavilion, for the museum. This is state of the art. Also, if you compare it internationally, you can look forward to this museum which will be created here on this ground. And we are happy that our objects which we have from Benin go back to this wonderful museum. So we want cooperation of the museums. We want to support you in capacity building, in training, in education. We want to learn from you, to learn from your knowledge about the Benin bronzes. And I really think I want to repeat, between the German museums and the Nigerian cultural institutions, we really can open a new chapter in our relations. And of course, our gratitude is enormous, the gratitude to the federal government of Nigeria, the Legacy Restoration Trust, the Oba of Benin, the Governor Obaseki. All of them work together with us. Germany is also a federal state. We also have many stakeholders which we had to coordinate. We brought them together. And at the very end, it was not so difficult to bring all people, all related stakeholders in Germany together, because everybody understood that it's important to bring looted artifacts back to Benin City, back to Nigeria.
The Ogbonge people waited for the briefing at Director General, Culture and Communications, German Foreign Office and Head of German Delegation to Benin, Dr. Andres Gorgen, President of the Parisian Cultural Heritage Foundation, Professor Dr. Hermann Persinger, and Deputy Chief of Mission, German Embassy, Helmut Kulitz, among others. This one na the Ogbonge informate where TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa of the matter. My name na Chidima Anichuku from Benin.